I'm gonna use this glass today because this looks like fun.
Definitely, I thought it was fun. I like the beat.
I'm gonna make a truly. By make, I'm just gonna pour it in this gorgeous vintage glassware. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Bobby Boyd Living. It's another great day here. It's another
gay day here.
We're doing like the next couple weeks or so, it's like a little hackish, which we're developing some Bobby Boyd original recipes that are gonna be phenomenal. We have like 3 that are coming out, but this is just some fun stuff, right? So you've seen the video of the baked mac and cheese hack, but today we're gonna do like a little puff pastry, like a little chocolate puff pastry. Ooh, nothing's better, right? I called up Jason and said, hey, Jason, it's Bobby. Oh, hey girl, what's up? And I said, guess what? He said, what? And I said, I'm going to make a chocolate puff pastry. It's gonna take us like 20 minutes. I think we should film it and bring it to the people. And he said, great, I'll be right over. I said, not now, it's midnight, Jason. Go back to sleep. Let me show you how to do this. Ready, set, go! So you're gonna get your puff pastry. I got it next to the cheese. So you get your sheet pan, you put your parchment paper down there. I mean, parchment paper really had to come up in this quarantine, let me just tell you that. All right, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Bring it back. Bring it back. Bring it. The hack is the puff pastry, and it's a oversized, extra large Hershey bar. This was my mom's favorite candy bar. So I was like, no, this is what I'm making mine with. You put that right in the middle. Oh, right, I know, mind blowing. Now you wanna make 1-inch slits down each side. Just wanna make sure that I'm not gonna mess it up first. And if it's not exactly 1 inch, whatever. This is how we're gonna zhuzh up our little hack. So, braid it up, okay. I like it. You need a little egg wash. Egg wash is just some eggs and some heavy cream. There we go. It's all on the wrist. It's all on the wrist. All right, and just like that. All right. Oh, yeah. Now, a little sugar. And by little, however much you want. Ooh-wee. This goes in your oven for 20 minutes. You set it for 400 degrees. Do me proud. And seen, be a queen.
Just be a queen.
A few minutes later.
Our timer just went off, so you know what that means. Heaven is about to begin. Oh, come. And we're not finished yet. Because this is Bobby Boyd Living, gotta just amp it up a little bit. And by amp it up a little bit, I mean like more calories, right? Calories are our friends. We love them. They make us feel warm and snuggly inside.
Yes! Yes!
Little. Ooh-wee. There we go. Right, okay, come on. This smells, I feel like I'm at La Durée right now. Just a little taste. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. Ooh, did you hear that? Right. If this doesn't taste good,
the devil's alive. The devil is at work if this does not taste good.
oh my God. Oh my God. How is that so good? It's a symphony bar. That's why it's so good. You can put these puff pastries in your freezer, so you always have them. You just unthaw them when you have unexpected guests who doesn't have Hershey bars in their house. And you've just made a dessert for your friends, and you're gonna knock their socks off. I don't have the good words for it, so I'm just gonna have to say what it is. When you take the bite, you get a gush of warm, melted chocolate. I don't lie to you. We're friends here. You need to do this. Try it, do it, get it at the supermarket. It's easy, it's fast, so that's it. Easy breezy little hack from us over here at Bobby Boyd Living. And if you enjoyed yourself, hit the like button and comment and subscribe, obviously, and ring the bell for notifications. I've enjoyed you, I appreciate you. And I'll see ya later. Bye. Love you mucho.